Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working on iPhone. Don't worry, I'll walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, open settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and search for Teams. Make sure you have given access to camera, and then now open your Teams app and then tap on the camera icon to make sure it isn't muted or disabled. If it still does not work, go to settings and then go to privacy and security. Go ahead and confirm Teams have permission to camera. Go to camera and then make sure Teams has permission to your camera. You can restart the app and try again. If it still does not work, uninstall Teams and then restart your iPhone, then reinstall it from the App Store. I hope this video helped you guys on how to fix your Teams camera not working. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next